Washington at Valley Forge was bitter cold and up spoke George. No, you don't say. And Simon Legree in Uncle Tom's cabin, what did he say to Uncle Tom? I'll tell you what he said. He took his whip and said to Uncle Tom, come on, Charleston. And in the Senate the other day, what did our President Coolidge say?
That's the way to do the Varsity drag. Hotter than hot, newer than new, meaner than mean, bluer than blue, gets as much applause as waving a flag. You can pass many a class, whether you're dumb or wise, if you all answer the call when your professor cries. Everybody down on the heels, up on the toes, stay after school and learn how it goes. Everybody do the Varsity drag.